Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the golden spice that's taken the health world by storm, turmeric. You might have heard of it as the key ingredient in curry, but did you know that turmeric is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory foods on the planet? Buckle up because in this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind turmeric, its incredible health benefits, how to use it effectively, and some fun ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Let's start with the science. Turmeric owes its superpowers to curcumin, its active compound. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is a natural response by your body to fight infections or heal injuries. However, chronic inflammation can lead to serious health issues like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. That's where turmeric shines. It helps regulate inflammation, keeping it in check. Let's dive deeper into why turmeric is considered a powerhouse in promoting health and fighting inflammation. Each benefit is supported by research, making turmeric a scientifically validated natural remedy. Turmeric, particularly its active compound curcumin, has been extensively studied for its ability to alleviate joint pain and stiffness caused by arthritis. Curcumin targets inflammatory pathways, inhibiting enzymes and cytokines responsible for swelling and pain. A study published in Annals of Internal Medicine found that turmeric extract, 500 mg of curcumin, was as effective as ibuprofen in reducing pain for knee osteoarthritis patients. Unlike NSAIDs, turmeric doesn't harm the stomach lining, making it a safer long-term solution. Curcumin plays a significant role in protecting and enhancing brain function. Curcumin increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein essential for learning and memory. Curcumin may help clear amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's, and reduce neuroinflammation. A study in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry showed that individuals taking curcumin supplements experienced significant memory and attention improvements after 18 months. Turmeric promotes cardiovascular health by addressing key risk factors like inflammation, cholesterol, and blood vessel function. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to heart disease. Turmeric reduces inflammation markers like C-reactive protein, CRP. Curcumin enhances endothelial function, which helps regulate blood pressure and circulation. Curcumin may lower LDL, bad cholesterol, levels while increasing HDL, good cholesterol. A study in nutrition research found that curcumin supplementation improved endothelial function as effectively as aerobic exercise. Turmeric supports a healthy gut environment and alleviates symptoms of gastrointestinal disorders. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties help calm irritation in the digestive tract, benefiting conditions like IBS and Crohn's disease. Turmeric can improve bile production, aiding in fat digestion. A study in clinical gastroenterology and hepatology revealed that turmeric extract reduced abdominal pain and improved quality of life for IBS patients. Turmeric is being researched for its potential to prevent and support the treatment of various cancers. Curcumin disrupts the cell cycle and promotes apoptosis, cell death, in cancer cells without affecting healthy cells. Curcumin may make cancer cells more susceptible to chemotherapy while protecting healthy cells from its side effects. A study in Cancer Letters indicated that curcumin inhibited tumor growth in pancreatic cancer patients. Turmeric is a go-to remedy for skin health, both topically and internally. It reduces redness and irritation, benefiting conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It helps fight bacteria that cause acne. Curcumin's antioxidant properties protect the skin from oxidative stress, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Mix turmeric with honey and yogurt for a natural glow-boosting face mask. Turmeric truly stands out as an all-rounder in promoting health and well-being. Whether you're addressing chronic pain, enhancing brain function, or looking to achieve radiant skin, turmeric offers a natural and effective solution. Always remember, consistency is key to unlocking its full potential. While turmeric is a nutritional powerhouse, its key compound, curcumin, is notoriously difficult for the body to absorb. But don't worry, there are simple ways to supercharge its effectiveness and ensure you reap its full health benefits. One of the easiest and most effective ways to boost turmeric absorption is by combining it with black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which inhibits certain digestive enzymes that break down curcumin, allowing more of it to enter your bloodstream. Studies show that piperine can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Add a pinch of black pepper to your turmeric dishes, teas, or golden milk. If you're taking turmeric supplements, look for ones that include piperine, often labeled as bioperine. Curcumin is fat-soluble, which means it dissolves in fat and is better absorbed in the presence of dietary fats. Fats like coconut oil, olive oil, and ghee act as carriers, allowing curcumin to bypass the liver's rapid metabolism and enter the bloodstream. Coconut oil is great for smoothies and curries, olive oil is ideal for salad dressings and roasted vegetables, and ghee, or clarified butter, is perfect for golden milk or traditional Indian recipes. Cook turmeric with a fat source, or stir a little oil into turmeric tea or broth-based soups. Applying heat to turmeric can make curcumin more bioavailable, enhancing its potency. Cooking turmeric activates curcumin and makes it easier for the body to absorb. Lightly sauté turmeric in oil for 5 to 10 minutes before adding it to dishes, or simmer turmeric in water or milk to create golden milk or turmeric tea. However, avoid excessive heat or overcooking, as it can degrade some of turmeric's beneficial properties. Fresh turmeric root and high-quality organic turmeric powder have higher levels of curcumin. Processed or old turmeric may lose potency over time. Look for a bright golden yellow color and a strong, earthy aroma when buying turmeric. Pair turmeric with other anti-inflammatory ingredients like ginger, cinnamon, and green tea to amplify its effects. A turmeric ginger tea combines two powerful natural remedies for inflammation and digestion. The benefits of turmeric build up over time, so incorporate it into your diet daily for the best results. Experts recommend 1 to 3 grams of fresh turmeric root or 400 to 600 milligrams of curcumin supplements daily, depending on your needs. Look for supplements with added black pepper or formulated for enhanced bioavailability. Liposomal curcumin or curcumin phytosome supplements are designed for maximum absorption. To get the most out of turmeric, always add black pepper for better absorption. Incorporate healthy fats like coconut oil or olive oil, gently heat turmeric to activate its properties, opt for fresh, high-quality sources for maximum potency, and combine with other anti-inflammatory ingredients to create a synergistic effect. By following these tips, you can unlock the full potential of turmeric and enjoy its amazing health benefits. Now for the fun part, how to eat turmeric every day. Here are some easy and delicious ideas. Combine turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, and almond milk for a soothing golden milk. Add a pinch of turmeric to your morning smoothie for a nutrient boost. Brew turmeric with ginger, honey, and lemon for a refreshing turmeric tea. Enhance your meals with a teaspoon of turmeric for flavor and health in soups and stews, and add turmeric to boiling water for a vibrant, golden touch in rice or quinoa. Turmeric is a powerful and versatile spice, but like any natural remedy, it's important to use it wisely to ensure safety and effectiveness. Let's break down the key do's and don'ts when incorporating turmeric into your lifestyle. Start with small amounts. Turmeric's strong flavor and potent effects may take time to adjust to. Starting with small doses reduces the risk of digestive discomfort. Begin with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder daily or 200 to 300 milligrams of curcumin supplements. Gradually increase as your body adapts. Opt for high-quality, organic turmeric. Organic turmeric is free from harmful pesticides and additives, ensuring maximum purity and potency. Look for turmeric that's USDA certified organic or non-GMO, and prioritize products with third-party lab testing for quality assurance. Be consistent. Turmeric's benefits build up over time with regular use. Occasional consumption may not yield noticeable results. Incorporate turmeric into your daily routine with recipes like golden milk, smoothies, or teas. Pair turmeric with enhancers. Combine turmeric with black pepper, healthy fats, or heat to improve absorption. Monitor your body's response. Everyone's body reacts differently to turmeric. Pay attention to how you feel and adjust your intake if necessary. Don't overconsume supplements without consulting a doctor. High doses of curcumin supplements can cause side effects like nausea, diarrhea, or dizziness. In rare cases, they may interfere with medications, such as blood thinners or diabetes drugs. Stick to 400 to 600 milligrams of curcumin supplements per day unless advised otherwise by a healthcare provider. Don't expect overnight results. Turmeric works gradually by reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. Visible results, such as reduced joint pain or improved digestion, may take weeks or even months. Stay patient and focus on long-term health improvements rather than quick fixes. Don't use poor quality or adulterated turmeric. Some turmeric products may be mixed with fillers, lead chromate to enhance color, or other harmful substances. These can negate health benefits and pose safety risks. Buy from trusted brands and avoid excessively cheap options. Don't ignore potential allergies or reactions. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions like skin rashes, stomach upset, or headaches. If you notice any adverse effects, stop use and consult a doctor. Don't substitute turmeric for medical treatments. While turmeric has significant health benefits, it's not a replacement for professional medical advice or treatment. Use it as a complementary approach, not a cure-all. While turmeric is generally safe in food amounts, avoid high doses or supplements unless recommended by a doctor. Turmeric's blood-thinning properties may increase bleeding risks. Discontinue use at least 2 weeks before surgery. Keep turmeric in an airtight container, away from sunlight, to preserve its potency and flavor. Avoid burning turmeric while cooking, as this can make it bitter and reduce its health benefits. Start small and increase gradually. Choose high-quality, organic turmeric. Stay consistent for long-term benefits. Pair with black pepper and fats for better absorption. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Avoid high doses without consulting a doctor. Don't expect instant results, be patient. Stay away from low-quality or adulterated turmeric. Don't ignore potential allergies or side effects. Use it as a supplement, not a substitute for medical treatment. By following these guidelines, you can safely enjoy the incredible benefits of turmeric while avoiding potential pitfalls. Turmeric truly is nature's golden gift. From reducing inflammation to boosting your overall health, its benefits are hard to ignore. Whether you're sipping golden milk or adding it to your meals, turmeric is an easy and delicious way to enhance your well-being. So, are you ready to embrace the power of turmeric? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stay golden.